Hey everyone, Jordan Warren here at Ocala, Florida Living. There's a brand new law that just passed called the Homebuyers Privacy Protection Act, and it's a game changer for anyone buying a home. If you've ever applied for a mortgage and then been harassed with calls, texts, or emails from lenders you've never reached out to, you're going to want to hear this, so be sure to stick around until the end. First, I want to start off and talk about trigger leads. What are they? Here's what's been happening for years. When you apply for a mortgage, your lender pulls your credit. The big credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, they see that inquiry and they sell it as what's called a trigger lead. That basically puts a target on your back. Almost instantly, other lenders know you're shopping for a mortgage, and they start calling, texting, and emailing you nonstop with their offers. Some people get dozens of calls within 24 hours. It's very invasive, it's confusing, and let's be honest, it feels like your private information is being sold without your consent. Now, in theory, these trigger leads were supposed to encourage competition and help consumers get better rates. But in reality, most home buyers feel harassed, pressured, and even overwhelmed in this process. So now let's talk about what this new law does. On Friday, the president signed the Homebuyers Privacy Protection Act into law. This is a bipartisan legislation. Both parties came together to fix this problem. Here's what it does. It restricts trigger leads. Credit bureaus can no longer freely sell your personal information to dozens of lenders just because you applied for a mortgage. It also protects your privacy. Your contact details stay secure and out of the hands of companies you've never reached out to. And it stops harassment. Those unwanted calls, texts, and emails from random lenders should finally come to an end with this new law. So bottom line, this law gives you control as the home buyer when it comes to protecting your information when filing for a mortgage. Now let's talk about why this matters for home buyers. This is a big deal for you if you're buying a home, and here's why. Number one, it's less stress. Buying a home is already stressful enough. You don't need 20 lenders blowing up your phone. This law helps you stay focused on the loan officer and lender you choose to work with. Second, more trust. Instead of strangers reaching out to you with flashy promises, you get to build a trusted relationship with the lender who has your best interest in mind. And it's better security. Your personal information, your phone number, email, and even the fact that you're buying a house is no longer being passed around without your permission. And finally, clear decisions. Without all the noise and confusion from unsolicited offers, you can now make a calmer and more informed choice about financing your home. Now, here's my perspective as a realtor. I've seen firsthand how stressful this can be for buyers. I've had clients call me saying, Jordan, why am I getting 15 different lenders calling me? I thought I already picked one. It causes unnecessary anxiety and even makes buyers second guess themselves. This law allows me to better protect the client. I can connect you directly with trusted lenders I know will take care of you, instead of you having to wade through a sea of random offers from people you've never heard of. So here's the bottom line. Homebuyers Privacy Protection Act is a huge win for the consumer. It puts your privacy first, stops unwanted calls and emails, and makes the home buying process just a little bit easier. If you're thinking about buying a home in Florida and you want someone who stays on top of these changes to protect you every step of the way, let's connect. Make sure to like this video, hit the subscribe button for more real estate updates, and also drop a comment below if you've ever been hit with those annoying trigger lead calls. I want to hear your experience. Thanks for watching. I'm Jordan Warren, your host here at Ocala, Florida Living, and I hope to see you in the next video.